So, ¿cuántas horas puedes poner hoy?
Being a bilingual individual,
Ok, perfecto.
working with multilingual teams, sometimes I think in my native tongue. So by using the right tools, being able to communicate effectively allows me to make my team look like rock stars. My name is Jimmy Davidson, and I own Bandito Solutions and Bandito Woodworks. We're a design-build company. Currently, we have 5 employees on staff, and we have numerous amounts of subcontractors that make the big team. It's a pretty small, big organization. So we have Microsoft 365 Business. One app that I really like is Teams. We have staff in office and sales. We also have woodshop staff. And that's 3 locations that we can make into one with the ease of Teams. The biggest thing we use OneNote for is punch lists. We continuously use OneNote real time for what needs to be done. If I had to pick one app from the Microsoft 365 suite, it would be Excel. It's the root of our organization. We use that to communicate with our customers and show transparency in our breakdowns. Using Microsoft products and people's familiarity with it promotes that confidence that customers sometimes need because they're dealing with something that they know. That all bleeds into the customer experience. My relationship with my team is about trust. They know that I'm going to tell them exactly what's going on, and that's key in any relationship, in my opinion.